The PlayStation Portal is Sony's latest console, and it's designed to be the most immersive and interactive gaming experience yet. In this video, I'm going to take a close look at the PlayStation Portal's design, hardware, features, games, and overall performance. I will also talk about its pros and cons. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this. And be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Design. The PlayStation Portal has a sleek and futuristic design. It's made of high-quality materials, and it feels very solid in the hand. The PlayStation Portal also has a number of unique design features, such as a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio connections. Notably, Bluetooth connectivity is absent, necessitating the purchase of a PlayStation Link compatible headset. The PlayStation Portal is also very comfortable to use. It's lightweight and well-balanced, and it has a number of ergonomic features that make it easy to hold for extended periods of time. Hardware. While we don't expect Sony to skimp on costs, we expect something closer in power levels to the Logitech G Cloud than the Razer Edge. It might not be a bad idea, considering the modest Absolute can dish out 1080p, 60 FPS over cloud gaming. There is a possibility that the Portal might use Snapdragon new G series chips designed for gaming handhelds that have just been introduced. The Absolute runs an MT8000 365 processor, which was released back in 2021. It can support DDR4 RAM, as well as eMMC storage. While we suspect the PlayStation Portal will have around 4 GB of RAM, we expect Sony to attempt to one-up its Japanese competitor with more robust hardware. Games. The PlayStation Portal has a library of over 200 games at launch, and new games are being added all the time. The PlayStation Portal library includes a wide variety of games, from first-party exclusives like Horizon, Forbidden West to third-party blockbusters like Grand Theft Auto V. The PlayStation Portal also supports backwards compatibility with PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 games. This means that you can play your favorite PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 games on the PlayStation Portal. Performance. The PlayStation Portal performs very well. It's able to run the latest games at 1080p resolutions and 60 frames per second. The PlayStation Portal also has very fast loading times. Overall, the PlayStation Portal is a very powerful and impressive console. It has a sleek design, powerful hardware, and a number of unique features. If you're looking for the most immersive and interactive gaming experience yet, the PlayStation Portal is the way to go. Pros and cons. Pros. Sleek and futuristic design. Powerful hardware. 3.5mm headphone jack. Bluetooth connectivity. Backwards compatibility with PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 games. Large library of games. Excellent performance. Cons. Expensive. Can be bulky and heavy. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.